So this is not a good notes tutorial. This is primarily I'm talking on Vim and text editors in general, like but I have named this live stream uh, good notes because I want to annoy my friend. Basically, I want to annoy my friend. It's been a while since I have talked on the live stream. I'm gonna try. So Control M will mute me. Good, it works. I hope other application that I'm gonna use not gonna interfere with Control M, which is my toggle for muting myself in OBS. Yeah. So let's start. So as you can see, I have install keys. See, I've installed keys, the app, and I have trying like bit customize it. So, oh, it didn't work. Yeah, now it's good. Oh, yeah, it's customized, but it did not work with the location. It did not store the location. So basically, color, yeah, I did change it a bit. So I think this is default. Yeah, I think this is default. Yeah, so I hope it minimizes. Yeah, it's minimized. So basically, I'm gonna be talking on Vim. So I have made. Let me go to my Opera GitHub. So this is my GitHub. I have made an Obsidian Vault where I store everything. So basically, I have my Python codes, Fusion. I have put my Python codes in here because you have to pay Obsidian, and I don't have money. I'm broke, basically. You have to pay to get Obsidian to like store your data online or make it available online across devices. But I don't want to pay. So and they you can pay for them to put it in a Git repository, in a Git repo. Basically, I do it manually because I don't want to pay. Yeah. So I have so basically this right here, everything is structured in a way. I just copied the main the Obsidian folder. I have an Obsidian folder in my C drive, and I just copied that, just dropped it there. So yeah, so this, for example, this one you can see like this is basically backlinks in Obsidian, but it obviously doesn't work in normal Markdown. So just that. Okay, this is also a link to Python. Yeah, right. Links, and then this is another link, and this is the Python code. So basically, it's just me backup. I just use it as a backup instead of like paying. I hope I said as well. Why is this print not highlighted? Oh, because of no. Oh, this. That's why it's gonna be highlighted. I'm gonna change that. So this is how to check if a variable or constant is of what type. I'm just gonna edit this in place. Let's try to see how to check. Okay, print. So boolean 2. This we do not need, and then this bracket. Nice. We can commit the changes. Wait, to go up, commit changes, update to Python, uh, fixed fixed point. I didn't need to do that, but I did it anyways. So I hope it's good now. I hope. Yeah, it's good now. See? So yeah, this is basically it. I'm gonna go and also do it there. Yeah, I know this is a lot, like a lot of folders and subfolders and stuff. But for me, this is a way of knowing like how it's structured in my head. I think like this. Like everything need to be organized at the subfolder level. Even I have a roadmap. Basically, if I Control T and then Control G, uh, basically this is the Python roadmap. I have everything here. So here, I don't know why it's big. It's nice big, but be on 20. Why is it 19, 18? Oh, should we do on 20? I think 20 is good. Yeah. So basically, I have this, and also for visual roadmap, and I have my password manager here. Yeah, and I'm creating this right now. I'm working on this. So Neovim, and how to use it basically. So this is currently my GitHub, my Obsidian thing. Yeah, everything's good. Everything's still working. Yeah, I need to fix this Python basics, and then where was it? Typecast. No, it was not typecast. It was huh? Where is it? I think it was typecast. Yeah. Oh no, I can't see manipulation typecast. Oh, there it is. Huh. So basically, this then should work. Yeah, good as new. Yeah. So I'm gonna start. So I have OCD man here. I have to start doing that. And how to use Neovim. And this is my font matter, my YAML code. And then basically, I've been doing this. Hope it works. It's good. So saving and quit without saving, without making changes. Yeah. To be honest, I know it's VI, but it doesn't work. Like for PowerShell, it works. Like, wait. Let me just put this here. Look. This is PowerShell. I just, I, I was like, yeah, let's put PowerShell here. I don't think anything will happen, but let me just put PowerShell here, and it worked. The set execution policy, it worked. This is installing Scoop, the package manager for Windows, or you can install Chocolate. So wait. A node. I'm gonna put another node. So basically, I'm gonna have low typing speed today because I'm on stream. Low typing speed incoming. Uh, oh, I will be doing a lot of mistakes in my typing. I think I'm gonna type slow. Another is chocolate. Another package manager. Control I. Package manager is uh, chocolatey. How do you spell that? Chocolatey? I think. But in this, but in this case, used Control I scoop. Yeah. Basically, we just go. Yeah, it's basically just me doing a tutorial for myself. I need to install NVChat. I use NVChat. I don't know how to configure any Lua code. I don't know how to configure it. I know vim.opt/9 numbers through. I just use a configurator. I'm just gonna learn from that. I did I did youtube.com. Let's look at my channel for example. So my channel and then oh, I'm live. So for example, right now, trying to install Vim. Yeah, setting up my Neovim. I streamed that 2 months ago. Yeah, yeah. I was trying to install Neovim, like setting up by myself, setting the configuration file, config .lua file by myself. But I found out that just like the next day when I was researching, I found out that I could just git clone into NVChat. I could just use NVChat. But for me, NVChat is still good. But during that 2 months ago, I deleted it. I deleted it because I didn't want to like really learn it. So and I had to restart my. I have to reinstall Windows because I have a ASUS GL 503 VM and it has like buttons, like volume up buttons and volume down buttons. It stopped working. I didn't. Nothing is spilled on it. The laptop is always in position on the stand, and I don't know what happened. Just stopped working for some reason. I tried installing a new uh, ROG software thing, and it didn't work. And I tried to reset, and still didn't work. So that was in vain. But nevertheless, I am now basically using Neovim. I installed Git and I installed everything. And I started to dab with SSH into. I bought a tablet, so I started to dab with SSH. I have also Emacs. Yeah, I'm gonna talk about that later. I have installed Emacs and Neovim using Termux, not Tmux but Termux. So I can close this and close this. This we can close for now. And also have KVs, yes. So basically, right now I can close. Where was I? So yeah, I switched to from Visual Basic to Python. I am now using Python as my main programming language uh, because there wasn't much nodes available on Visual Basic, so I switched. Yes, so is there anything? Yes, still good. I'm just checking everything. Yes. My computer just crashed on me for no apparent reason. That's why I'm checking everything's good. Yeah. So quit without saving. What do we have next? We can quit without saving. We can and I also saw what is a WQA Vim. Try to go and what is the quit QA? Oh, QA. The first one closes Vim. The second one also. Wouldn't all the changes go with Q? To be clear, I use Vim UI, not the command prompt. Oh, okay. Edit. It is more. It's more about the difference, not the actual meaning. The same explanation in the help. Confused. The explanation now Kia is uncertain will not. Yeah, yeah. This is good. But what about the QA? You could all buffers and exit. I still need to know about buffers. So basically, in my quest to you know Neovim and stuff, uh, I Like after installing Neovim, just the day after I installed Neovim, I saw Lex Friedman clip saying like difference between VS Code and Emacs, basically. And I wanted to know about Emacs. Basically, I want to use Emacs now. That's why I downloaded Emacs on Termux and not on how to say on my computer, because I'm not sure. Still, I'm not sure how to use Emacs. So let me learn Vim first, then I'm gonna use Emacs. So basically, I'm gonna clear. Okay, okay, again clear, and I'm gonna clear. I'm gonna go SSH. So I'm gonna try to SSH into my tablet using Termux. So I'm turning on my Termux. I'm turning on my Wi-Fi on my tablet and see if Termux works. I'm gonna exit Termux for the moment. Termux is working. I'm gonna go for SSHD. SSH. Okay, SSHD is now available, and I'm gonna try to say IP config. No, it's not IP config. It's IF config on my on Termux basically. And then I have I'm sorry, who I am. Who am I? Who I am? Yes. Who am I? So basically, I'm gonna connect it to my how do you say? I'm gonna start connect my SSH. Yeah. So I'm gonna close this screen recording so you don't see my IP address and everything. Is it closed? Yes, it's closed. So SSH dash B port 8080, not 8080. So basically, I'm inputting my uh, 20. Yeah, good, 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 good. It's good. The verification failed. Please contact system. Uh, what is this? What is happening? It said to me that the verification failed. Okay, I'm gonna have to. Yeah, my screen is black right now, and man in the middle attack. It worked. Ah, shish. PKG remove wireless wireless dash tool. I'm gonna try to remove this because I installed it. And I'm gonna go for SSHD again. I'm gonna try again. Oh, what it is? I need to go to this directory // users technical difficulties. Technical difficulties. I'm gonna be using Vim right now just to clear this. Oh no. What did it say? Quit Neovim. So add correct host key in sys. The fingerprint for the A is this. So host one. Host key for her has changed. Host key verification failed. Remote host identification has. Oh my god. I'm gonna clear this for the moment. I'm gonna CD to my just to like be sure. I'm gonna open my stream thing. Host identification fail SSH. Yeah, I need to know that Windows 10, and then I'm gonna go videos. I'm gonna exit my termux. So this is how do we do this? Thank
Hey
you.
everyone, this is Tony Teaches Tech. I'm
Yes,
Tony,
thank
and
you.
in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the remote host. I go ahead and it was the first time logging in, so I got the authenticity of the host can't be established, blah, blah, blah. Yes, I agree. I'm going to continue connecting. And then I logged in to this operating system, which was Debian. I logged out, and after I logged out, I re-imaged the server. Okay, I completely wiped Debian off of it and created a whole new Debian operating system image on it. And doing that will cause me to see that remote host identification has changed warning. So that's my obviously see that error up, but that's one quick and easy see that I with that. Go down, open up the SSH directory, a file in there called known hosts. If I go down to line 201, we will see that IP address and the associated key with that. So that key was issued as a known host when I initially connected to it, but that key has since changed. Now what I can do is simply get rid of this line and proceed to log in via SSH. Can do is simply get rid of this line and proceed to log in via SSH, and that will work. That's the quick and easy way, but let's not do that. Let's do the more sophisticated way. So instead of doing that, let's instead type in SSH-keygen -R, capital R, and then the IP address, okay? And what this is going to do is update our known host file, kind of just like exactly what we just did. It's going to get rid of that line in that known host file, but it's also going to back up the contents of the file in your known host.old, just in case for whatever reason you need to go back and use that old information. So now,
I'm not gonna use that old information, so I'm just gonna go for. So this is this ls ls clear this first ls, and then we go for nvim known host nvim known host. So I'm gonna go again because I don't want to put my information online. I'm gonna basically turn off my OBS stream for a minute, and I'm gonna put this. So this is this IP address. I'm gonna go again on my termux. I'm gonna go sshd, and I'm gonna go ifconfig here. I'm a slow typer, especially on touchscreen devices. So this is this, and I'm gonna remove this. So Y, and I'm gonna no, it's not Y, it's V. To this, I'm gonna press D and delete it. I'm gonna save and quit. Save and quit. Clear. CD C dot here. CD C. Oh my god, bro. So SSH into SSH dash P at this, and I'm gonna try to yes. I'm gonna fingerprint. I'm gonna say yes. Uh, Either to this yes of known host, and then we go for the password, and basically happens. I really want to show you this, but let me try to show you this because I want to show you this. It's cool. Oh, okay. This is the way I can show you, and I have to put it back. Let's put it back, and I'm going to have to turn off my stream recording. So basically, this is it. This is the welcome screen, and I'm piglet basically, and just use that. So I'm gonna uh, clear a bunch of things. See, okay, everything is working, and don't need don't need to close. So basically, I have Emacs. I'm basically connected to my tablet right now, and I'm gonna. I don't know how to use Doom. Yeah, I also use a configuration already available, and also it uses the Vim motions. That's why I installed this one. But space period, it brings up my things storage slash shared slash python slash test.py, for example. And here we go. Space V. Does it work? Space V is unidentified. Space V opens the terminal in Neovim, basically. So if I do this, I get okay, nice, nice. It's actually yeah, it's good, it's good. I have two clients now. Okay, I'm gonna close it. So basically, this is a thing that I made on the tablet itself using Termux. It's a simple calculator. Yeah, it's a simple calculator with exception handling and stuff like that. I didn't know what exception handling was, and I'm gonna quit. Yes, I really want to quit Emacs because I don't know what this buffer means and stuff like that. But yeah, so basically this is Neovim on my Termux on my what on my what on my tablet. Basically, yeah, turn off my tablet screen because I don't wanna. Why is it lagging? Lagging a bunch. So basically the same thing I just backed up everywhere. So not password, but for example this, and then the how to use. Let's go for the Neovim. And also space ff works. Wait, what? What to do .txt? What is this? GUI NVIDIA driver download. What to do .txt? Wait, what is that? I don't know what was that. Yeah, basically see. So this is the control N. Yeah, control N. It's a bit laggy because it's on SSH connection. Yeah, it's really laggy. So one thing is, uh, keys is not displaying all my keys. Like I'm using G and H to move HJKL to move up and down and side to side. I'm moving up and down side to side like a roller coaster. So yeah, this is basically it. I'm gonna use Termux, not Termux. Wait, what? TTF. Okay, we don't understand this. I'm gonna use the mouse. I'm not a real, true uh, Neovim user. I know it's tab to like switch between the tabs, and also this here flashbang out. Yeah, we use one dog here and dog team, not the white team. I wanted to switch teams globally using Node. I was about to use Node, the team Node, like but I did not. I don't know why. Okay, so clear. Does clear work? So if I do this, it should go back to yeah, not ls. Yeah, ls. So user etc. So it does bash that bash or C file. So if I do, what if I do reboot? It does not work if I do reboot.
Keywis is a free and open source software that can be used to visualize your keystrokes in real time. To get started, you can download the latest version of Keywis from the GitHub releases page, download the file, unzip the file, run the installer, and follow the familiar steps to install Keywis. And there you have it. You can start visualizing your keystrokes by just running Keywis like this. You can visualize the letters, shortcuts, numbers, arrows, function keys, and even numpad keys. You can see the visualization animated in and out like this, and there is also a subtle animation for key press. That is, press a key and then release it, or press a key multiple times like this. Things are alright as it is, but you can customize the visualization further from the settings window. To open the same, navigate to the right side of the taskbar, then find the Keywis icon, which may be inside the hidden icons. For convenience, you can bring it out like this by just dragging the icon out to the taskbar. Now click on the icon and choose Settings from the menu. This will open the settings window. In the settings window, you can customize the visualization style, appearance, and the other general settings. Let's start with the general settings. The first one is the hotkey filter. When enabled, it will filter out the other keys and only display shortcuts. Currently, every key press is visualized whether it's a letter or a shortcut. But if I turn the hotkey filter on, only the hotkeys will be displayed. The next one is the shift symbol setting. By default, you will find it enabled, and what it does is if you press shift plus any symbol key, it displays the symbol like this. If you don't need it, then you can disable the same. The
No, no. Do you see Krunker? I don't have it installed, mate. And not gonna play right now. Oh, so shows even like clicks and stuff. That's good. So I found it. It was the hotkeys filter. Yeah. Basically, I'm gonna continue my notes here. My Vim notes. So what do we have here? For we can also for and we had to how to use Vim on Neovim. Okay, this is the basic stuff. So we need to do the basics first, then we use the Neovim has a built-in cheat sheet. Yeah. So let me just this was the figlet like welcome thing. To be honest, I'm not gonna use cd slash home. I'm not gonna use the Emacs for right now. Emacs, Emacs, MCAS system. Huh? I'm not gonna use Emacs right now. So I'm just gonna right now. I'm gonna exit out of that. If it works right now, it's bugging a lot. Really buggy. Yeah. The version read only. Not quitting now. Oh my flipping god. I'm gonna uh okay. I can't talk right now. I'm gonna stop the connection from the Termux in my trailing expect. Wait, what is this, bruh? Eval. I'm gonna quit this. Eval quit. You see, I don't know. It's a quit, but I can't quit. Oh, there it is. There we go. Q. Yes, I want to exit Vmax. But what if I type Emacs once again? Is it gonna? Okay, it's not in. Oh, I don't know what to say now. I'm gonna escape and I'm gonna press Alt M, Alt X. Okay, so this is basically a GUI application, and we can go for let's say EU uh, browse, browse. Okay, wrong argument and stuff. I did it. I need to still like uh fetch URL and run the page. HTTPS semicolon slash slash Wikipedia if I can type today .com. Machuca. I don't know what. I don't know. I'm gonna quit and then quit here. Exit. I mean. Okay. Okay. I mean it's the device IP. I'm turning off my mic. I'm turning off my mic instead of my thing. I wanna clear this out right now. Yeah. So I have installed Scoop. I have installed Scoop slash slash help. Yeah. Basically, you can see status search. I'm gonna search Emacs. I'm not gonna download it. I'm gonna search it. Search Emacs. I don't think it will have it. Oh, will it? Taking a lot of time, huh? Taking a lot of time. Okay, so this quit without making changes, and then what we can do next. I have to put a gonna go for NV chat. Emacs. Okay, it has Emacs. Clear. I'm not gonna install Emacs right now or do Emacs or anything like that. I'm just gonna go for a quick nvim. No. I'm gonna close nvim first. I'm gonna go for cd obsidian vault. I'm gonna go for this. No. This and this. That's so cd main vault, and then we go for main vault here, and then we go for program learning. cd program learning basically, and then we go for vim neovim cd vim dash neovim, and then we go for nvim how to use. No, it's gonna create a lot of thing. I'm gonna access it. I'm gonna go for this. I'm gonna go space ff vim usage. Yeah, vim usage. I could have used the control n to get the file tree. And also I have a pre-cts install. So I can't type info. Basically I have C. I'm using G. I'm using J and K to go up, down, up and down, up and down. Basically this. I have Markdown installed. I have Markdown inline. Oh, Markdown is not installed. Okay, it's a good thing for me to show you how to install it. So basically Markdown, you can see, is not installed here. Markdown is not. I'm gonna install it. I have also Python and others. So to install a thing, you just say ts install Markdown. For example, Markdown. It's gonna try to download it, and I think you can use it. I don't know if we need to close out Vim. Ah, it did it. It did. So what if I say this is not Neovim but VI? This is see it's Bash. Uh, this is a PowerShell, as you can see right here, and then this is a Bash. I'm gonna see if I can. So append, we need to append here, and I'm gonna say VI, and I'm gonna go for again. I'm gonna say append, and then VI. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I hope it works. Because the extension file is Vim, but I don't know. Just trying things, I guess. Trying things, they say. Try things. It will be easy. I use the scroll. Yeah, I don't know how to like control down. I know control up goes up, control D goes down, but just goes down here. I don't know how to like put it. I want more scroll. Yeah, I'm not a real Chad, as you can see, if you can say that. So basically, I said in Chad here, we can go to the and use this. So nvchad. nvchad has a control B. It's not control. Oh, control B. It's, okay. Has a cheat sheet. Is cheat sheet together or not? I think not. Cheat sheet basically. So I'm gonna save using save the file, and let's see. Yes, it has changed. Yeah, this is better. I can differentiate between the simple text and then basically bold text, like emphasis. I'm gonna go for insert again. I'm gonna go for It shows left right. It doesn't show like the keybies. I'm talking about the keybies. It shows left right. It does not show. How am I gonna say that? The icons. It's okay. So it has a cheat sheet, and then which can be accessed by uh, pressing pressing the leader key with pressing with I'm gonna go for plus ch. Yes, I don't know how to use that, so I'm just gonna go for O here. Escape. I'm gonna save this file. So basically O again. So yeah, so as a cheat sheet. So the I'm gonna go for a note. So note. So basically the default leader key. So I'm gonna go for uh, italic keys. The default leader key is space. So actually, yeah, we're gonna go for this. Leader key is space. I'm gonna go for uh, simple space. So if we save this file right now, we can see this. Oh, yeah, yeah, it's good, it's good, it's good. Yeah. So the default leader key is space. Yeah, basically for leader key is space in NV chat. So there you you will find most of the what do you say? Most of the relevant most used uh, key maps. Most used key maps. Wow. Yeah. Again, these key maps can be changed in the file. .lua file. Say .lua files. Control this. I should be using Obsidian, but I'm just like, it's new. I want to use it. I want to enjoy it, and also I get this experience. But guys, I've been streaming for 48 minutes right now, and it's currently 20:49. Yes, so basically, what do we have? I want to learn the motions. So there's a YouTuber I was looking at. So basically, Vim motion. Yeah, this one. I'm gonna make it in a separate file. So I'm gonna close this now. WQ. I'm gonna clear this. Exit. Neovim. Gonna do this. I'm gonna. So I use Windows and the arrow keys to basically move around. Okay, basically that's it. And then we can edit here. In fact. So I'm gonna go for another file. I think another file. So nvchat. Oh, wait. I need to put the chat cheat sheet. Please use the cheat. Please take a look at the cheat sheet because it has important things that you will want want to use like uh use. For example, did did you know that you can find control B find files inside of I'm gonna say nvchat. I mean, you can configure, as I said, I don't want to configure my Neovim and just use nvchat, but you can use another thing. So this is nvchat, and I'm gonna go for how to close nvchat. Basically, this is how to close nvchat. Saving a file, save and closing file, quit without saving, and then nvchat. Okay. So basically, how to use Neovim, and then we go for saving file, saving a file. Control C, and then pipe, and then escape. So basically, another one, how to use Neovim or Vim, and then hash key, and then you say saving and closing a file. And I just like to copy that. If I don't copy, look what happens. If I don't copy, if I don't, I can like this. If I for example, this is a closing file. I just like link this. You see that this does not have how to use Vim and then into closing file. Basically, if I click this, it will send me to this part of the file, basically. But instead, we can remove this like greater than symbol using pipes, and then I'm gonna copy this thing, this text here, and I'm gonna paste it here. So if I do this, it hides the thing. Like I can, it still brings me to here and still the same, but it's just like cleaner. And when I export it to PDF, I don't have it right now. Oh, I'm sick. I don't have it right now. So basically, you can make it better in a way. You can make it good, I suppose. So roadmap, you say how to use Neovim, and then I'm gonna say uh, Vim motions. I'm gonna create Vim motions, and yeah, it's nice in here. And I'm gonna alias and Vim motions. This is YAML code. You just use simple YAML code, and Vim, and then date. I just add the date. So basically 16-07-2023, and then we close this. So basically a list of contents. I like to add a list of contents, uh, as you can see. Uh, give me a few minutes. Nothing happened, mate. Nothing happened. Just that the person that I have did I say at the beginning I titled the live stream Goodnotes tutorial. Yes, I have finally defeated my opponent by making him respond to me. That's okay. We can forget about Goodnotes users now, and we can go back to work. Can go back to our work. Yeah, let's hear this person.
VS Code.
So Vim Salesman can check this video out, and I'm gonna also, after checking this video out, I'm gonna also check this the Prime region. Yeah, Vim user for like 10 years, I think. I think. So list of content. And then so yeah, so I'm gonna YouTuber. So YouTuber is so we can do this, and then square bracket, then normal brackets. I type the Vim the things that I want to type, like Vim salesman, and I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna click. I'm gonna get his URL.
Vim is a text editor that allows the user to move, edit, and manipulate text with efficient keyboard shortcuts and without.
Okay, I'm gonna put this here. Control Z. I'm gonna Control V, and then if I press this, it will redirect me to his
Vim is a text editor that
YouTuber, and then the thing redirect me to his channel, and then the video. I will say the link to the video is here. So basically here you can shift here, add the square bracket, then again I'm gonna open this, and I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna paste it here. So again, if I link to the video is here, it will send me to this
VS
page.
Code
So I'm gonna continue to watch the video and take notes.
and IntelliJ of Vim plugins. These motions will be the same across the board. So in this video, we're going to be covering these commands and motions, which are going to be the basics and the essential motions that you're going to need to know to use Vim. Alright, so I covered some of these in my first video, but the basic commands H, J, K, and L can move the cursor one character at a time. So H moves the cursor.
Yeah, this is what I was talking about. So you can use the arrow keys, but you generally don't use the arrow keys. Uh, Deva's Life. So another YouTuber called Deva's Life, a full stack developer. Said a full stack developer and maker of Inkdrop, the maker of Inkdrop. It's basically how do you say? A competitor to Obsidian. I would like to use. I would like to use this, but okay, okay. Has some features going for it. I'm seeing it like why does it tilt there? I want to know. Okay. Yeah, I can customize, and yeah, it is made by Mr. Takuya, I think. So use the forum, Twitter, blog, and then more stuff. I think it's made by Mr. Takuya. Yeah, Mr. Takuya here. So he knows how to use like the key binding very well. Yeah, but for now I need simple things, simple basic tutorials for me to be able to get the motions in quotation around. So to move the cursor around in will be insert, no, not insert mode, the normal mode, normal mode, we use the we use the user, we use following keys, we use the following key presses, key what, key press, we use the followings. So I can say J K L. So up down. So up is K, down is J, left right. H is left, and then right is L, obviously. So up, up. I'm gonna try to get a few markdown syntax here. Not markdown, latex. So backslash. Forgot forgot the up arrow. I don't really use the up arrow that much. Latex up arrow. Up arrow. It's just up arrow. Okay. So that was good. Up arrow, and then this you can copy, and then down arrow, and then we can. So this is down. Why did I do that? Okay. Copy this one. Control C, and then I'm gonna go for left and right. Left and Control V, left, and then down, right. I hope it works. I think it works. So right, it has been a while since I haven't used Notion and yeah, Notion with latex. I primarily use latex with Notion. Yeah, that's it.
Cursor to the left.
So this is the equivalent to the arrow keys in other applications. Why? But okay, I'm gonna add a note here, or a warning. A warning is better, I think, in this scenario. Warning: this will only work. I for the moment I only know that it works only in insert mode, because not insert mode, in normal mode. Look at this. This is in normal mode. Like, I don't know if you can see my cursor here.
L moves the cursor.
it's only in normal mode right now. So, but this will only work in Control B normal mode. Yeah. So this is the equivalent to the arrow keys, but in but this is a better version, as you do not need to lift your hands off the home row. Let me search home row. So, images. Yeah, I'm just gonna go for this image search. Do shift open bracket square bracket and then this home row keyboard. Board. Home row. It's a home row like that. Home row. No, it's not Control C and then Control V. Oh, it's a long text. Oh my god. Just for this really long text. So home plus row plus keyboard and spell. Oh, it shows the client also. Good, good, good. You do not need to lift finger off the home row. Okay, this is moving around, and then another thing, I guess.
So to the right, J moves down and K moves up. So with these commands, you can navigate around the file. If I press I can go into insert mode.
I'm back.
You can type in text.
don't know how to like structure it. Should I just like type I insert for insert, or I should I do it like this, like just like inline, or should I do it in a or insert do like this? Or I use a and then I just say Neovim. I don't because I don't know, or just use VI. Use VI because I don't know. And I'm just gonna say I. I'm gonna I'm gonna I'm gonna use like this. I'm gonna do it like this. This will once pressed one once pressed it will allow us to type into the file. So note that note the vim the control I, so L, so H J K L movement slash motion will not work on in insert mode. Control I, control B, insert, and then say insert mode dot. Did I put a dot there? I need to put a dot there because OCD here. OCD city.
just like a normal text editor. And I can press escape to go back to normal mode. Right?
Enter insert mode or going into insert mode? Entering insert mode. Going into insert. What's better? Enter insert mode. Or just insert mode. uh normal mode. To no. To go back to in probably normal mode, we just need, to press, just need to press escape on press escape, control I, escape. So gonna again VI. I'm gonna go for Vim language extension name dot Vim. So does this work if I press Vim here? Wait a second. I might be onto something. I might be onto something. So basically PowerShell, Vim, 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 Vim. It said .vim, but this is the file extension. Oh, it's highlighted for me. But this now it works. Are you kidding me? Obsidian supports Vim? Oh my god. Yeah, it supports Vim. Out of the box. See here, editor. Use Vim key bindings when editing. To be honest, I don't know really. I mean, it doesn't work. Okay, wait. I mean, it doesn't work. Insert. So, oh, it works. It's just different. So Vim, and then GG. Okay, it works. We know it works. And then Control T slash. I'm gonna open Neovim. I'm gonna go on here and press G. PowerShell, bash, PowerShell, and bash. Okay, so it doesn't have insert here. Yeah, E S C. Control Z, Control Z, O. So now, now you will be able to use the Control B Vim motions. Yeah, Vim motions instead of I understand a movement. I'm not gonna go for here. I'm gonna go for Vim motions. So first, we can basically
I can use the motions to move around. If I press A, I can go into insert mode, just like except when I press A, I go into insert mode on the character after where my cursor is. So if I
I'm gonna redo it. I have already made an explanation on how to quit. I've already made an explanation on how to quit Neovim and stuff like that. Look, so to close Neovim, we just press this. But I didn't say what mode we are using. Like, what are we in insert mode, or are we in normal mode, or are we in command mode? I just said to type this, but they do not know how to. They do not know like how to escape. I think I'm gonna delete this, and I'm just gonna put everything here. Oh, this will gonna take a lot of time now, and I will have to just like do it little by little because I also need to learn OOP, so computer object oriented programming. IB. What is IB? Python, and there's a 4-hour video that a 2-hour video I think. Yeah, by Free Code Camp to basically show me object-oriented programming. There is also I'm gonna see like I want to watch these like 4-hour videos, but I just like see I watch half of it. And now it starts to show you how to do like the real OOP thing. But this part it was just like showing you how to print and how to like things. Because in papers.com, in our syllabus, papers not papers.com, in our syllabus, for example. So you can't really see the white thing. See, you cannot really see it. I'm gonna change it in our new syllabus. So 2022, for example. Yeah, I remember I was doing this one. So November 4/1. I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna change it for the moment. Mouse cursor, and I'm gonna choose blue, I think. like green, but blue is also blue is fine. Yeah, this blue is fine. Now you can see it's really small. Now you can see like where, where am I clicking and stuff. So we got this to do. For the most part, I watched this person like it. He made a video of him
Of
explaining.
your time, please.
Uh, there was a 12-hour video of him explaining how to use Python. Basically, I watched this, and there was a bit of computer OP, and I did the simple thing. Let me show you. Computer object oriented programming, and then so basically I did this is from his tutorial, but it's not really. I understand the concept, but I understood the concept, but not really the thing that I wanted, because I mean I need to like use my brain also, but I wanted to get like a more precise explanation. Like I got this is the attribute, these are the methods, the slash functions, but I want a more in depth. I want it to be more in depth, basically. So yeah, I think I'm gonna delete this. I spent all my time doing this today, and I'm gonna delete it. Oh my god, that's the thing about life. Sometimes you have to delete and redo things, but I think it's gonna be worth it. So yeah, but we can just copy the code. We can just copy the code. So how to use Neovim and Vim, and then we can just copy the code. So I can copy using the Control C. If I do Control V, okay, it does. It does. So normal mode. So here on Windows, I'm gonna opening and closing Vim. I'm not. There are methods here. You see, I can open Neovim on the GUI. You're kidding. You're joking, mate. I thought it was not going to give me. Uh, we can do all of this. Okay. I thought it was not going to give me NV chat. I mean, it's different. You see, it's not really polished in a way. Space N, for example. Okay, it's not really polished. I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna quit. Yeah, it's quit. Like, for example, the terminal will launch Neovim.
Press A here.
it was a bit weird to use the motions here, but if I'm struggling to use Vim motions, that means I am not really I'm not learned it in a way. I have not learned it, and you need to learn it. Basically, that what if my head can what what space in your yank. Oh yeah, control P or control R in normal mode and command mode. Control R. Oh no, but how to shift will yank the thing into the register and then control shift V. No. I am a mouse user. No. But will it work if I do control P? It doesn't. It doesn't for life's sake. Why is it not changing? If can I not change my keybind? Vim, search for Vim. It doesn't do. That's why I don't use it. Oh, is hardware acceleration turned off? Yes. Appearance. I don't think I'm gonna use it, to be honest. I'm gonna close it. I'm struggling. And also 21:30. I need to go. Saving and closing file. In you can also use this saving and closing file. Control C and then Control V, and then we can do quit and without making any changes. Control C, then Control V. We can also do Control C. We can also put this here. Yes. I think it's working. I think it's good. So VI. It's Vim. It's Vim. It's Vim. Like, yeah, basically.
I type in text, you'll see that the text is after this word, text. If I press I, I'll start inserting
Inserting here. Oh, we can also use Control I, double quotes, and then O. Oh, Control I, double quotes, then A. Not A, it's O. So Vim, and then we say O. It's A first, and then basically we say Vim, Vom, Vim, not VO, comma, not Vom, and then O here. Basically, this will. Why does always highlight? I don't know. I don't know. Basically, it. Okay. And then we have to learn this.
characters before my cursor. So that's why this T is still here.
Yeah, so basically, O means to enter a new line. So it will write on new line. Insert will insert directly into the place where your cursor is, and A will go forward. Related to the, like, for example here, if I press, for example, if I was here, if I press A and this was Vim, this will basically put my cursor over here in a way. Like if it's here, it's gonna be placed here. If it's O, it's gonna be placed here. For example, it's, I don't know how to explain it. You have to do
Now
it.
to write to the file or save the file, I press colon to go into command mode and type in :W, press enter to write to the file. If I want to create a new file with the contents of this file, I can give the file a name like
Duplicating a file. Saving and duplicating the contents of a file to another file with a different name. It's long. It's really long, but it's whatever. So if you have a file and it has some contents or some data, I just typed it. Content. I'm gonna go for content or information. Some text in it. In it. So if you have some file that text in it, and you want to make another file with the same content as the original, probably original file, but with a different control I name, point virgule. So period, and I don't know how to spell that. Like it's a comma and a period. So this, and then use the following command file, and it has some text in it, and you want to make another file with the same contents as the original but with a different name. Use the following command: vim, and then so let's rewatch this
file. If I want to create a new file with the contents of this file, I can give the file a name like not main.cross, and this will create a new file with the contents of this file. And if I want to quit the file, I can press :Q, and that will quit the file. Now using HK, J, and L,
Yeah, this will quit the file. Saving, closing the file. But it doesn't say closing file. How to close? Control C. Control C. And I'm gonna go for Control V. Control V. Saving file, quit file. So basically WQ and then file. How does this look? Nice. Very nice.
To move one character at a time isn't that fast. So we have two more commands, which are W and B, which allow you to move forward one word at a time. And the word is
Moving a single cursor character by character. Oh no. So okay, then we use so moving cursor word by word. This B should not be B, but B. This B should not be here. This B should not be here. Should not be capital. So yeah, we can basically cursor word by word and just to move to move to move cursor by a word in the from no in the left direction. So right direction first. Right direction. So basically so backslash right arrow. We could use like this right arrow would be simply this. I can't copy that. Okay. And if I use this right arrow, it should be this. So if you can see my cursor here, but I will just use this. I like to use the other one for implies. Basically implies this, like mathematics thing. The word direction, use use the you my finger always go to here because it's used to. I can't control my fingers in a way to uh use the in control B normal mode. So Vim and then we say W. I'm gonna go for one, then two. So to move, basically the same thing, but just word in the right direction by word in the right direction. Control C, then Control V, Control Z, Control Z, Control V. So here we have so B. I'm gonna try this right now. Control B. So terminal cdd colon slash ls cd computer science python ls cd python underscore learning ls. So clear. I'm gonna go for nvim stack.py. So if I do W, it works. Nice. Everything is near your hand. Like the home row. You don't need to like control and then press the like see control right, control left. I just press W. And it's just one key with one finger. Not N, it's B. Yes, nice, nice. Save and quit, clear, and then we exit. Nice.
Is separated by spaces or characters such as like a period or comma, right? So you can see I press W and B to go forward and B to go back. And capital W does the same thing, and capital B does the same thing, except it only goes by spaces. So you can see if I type the word don't and I press B, you'll see that it takes 3 times to actually get.
I hope you can hear a bit my keyboard. I mean, it's annoying, it's like blue switches, but still, I hope you can. I hope you can hear it because it's quite quiet when it's too quiet. I don't know how to explain it, but it's quiet, like when I'm not talking and stuff. Oh no, I have not exited Termux. I said I'm gonna exit, but I did not. Now I'm exiting. Evil laugh incoming. What the fuck? I'm tired now. That is what is happening. I just need to go. Just need to go drink some milk. Just beat W. Yeah, good.
Get past this word because there's a apostrophe separating it. But if I press W and B, well capitalized, you'll see that I jump the entire word, so it only goes by spaces.
One more thing. For example, YouTube.com. Look at my channel. I have only these videos. Of course, these are like 5 years old and are cringe. But I have over nine. I have. Oh my god, it's like 99 videos. Oh wow, 99 videos. I mean, it's live streams, but still, I have only been doing live streams. Do you know why? Because I don't want to fill up my storage with DaVinci Resolve, for example. Because I do programming, I install a lot of things. If I did not do programming, maybe I would have been doing videos instead of live streaming. I live stream because I don't need to edit the videos, basically. That's why I do not make videos and I just prefer to live stream so that I do not have anything to edit. And space is not a problem as everything is handled on the YouTube servers in USA or wherever it is. But for me, right now, as space is kind of expensive in my country, uh, it's better for me to just stream it instead of recording videos. Because they say that if like you fill up 70%, don't fill your SSD to the maximum. Like do not use just like it's gonna slow down. I think it slows down more than a hard drive. Yes, that's what I've heard. So you keep like 30% around 25% or 30% free, so you can use it as a VRAM, like about your PC. And then we go to advanced systems, close this. uh, so paging memory, see here, 2432, it uses as it was RAM. So basically, uh for all drives, so this and this. But you know, you kind of don't fill your SSD. Just don't fill it. Put some like, see. Oh, just press enter. I just press enter. No, 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 no. It might crash now. Oh no. I pressed enter. Oh no. I'm just gonna start closing things down. Oh no, just press enter. Can I just delete that? Delete. I'm just gonna delete. Still is working. Oh no, just press enter. No. I think we are good. I think we're good. Just press enter, bro. Yeah, so you can delete your, for example, prefetch and temporary files. See, so you can just delete them. We don't need them. And whatever you can't delete, just forget about it. Just delete things that are irrelevant. So you get more out of your system. I had 150 gigs today. I just got 1 gig one today. Like I just got free 1 gig. I mean, it was already 151 gig, but I can show you that today when I was using my computer, it was 150 instead of 151. Asus drivers don't really use this, but I'm scared to delete them. And games, I'm gonna delete it because I was playing Leave for Speed, but now oh no, now need I don't play Leave for Speed. I'm not playing.
I can use the command 0 and $sign to go to the start of a line or the end of a line. So 0 goes to
This
the
was
start of the
also
line.
like me showing my computer and stuff. I was not necessarily making notes, or I was just chatting a bit, showing you where I have like set up my computer and stuff. So for the moment, I'm not really playing, but I bought BattleBit, and it's the greatest game ever. But I just don't know how to play it. Like I play Fortnite. I've not played Fortnite in like 1 year, so I hope my aim is still good. I still have aim labs, but I don't play because of exams and stuff.
And $sign goes to the end of the line. I can type O
Oh,
to
I'm gonna
create a
continue
new.
tomorrow. I'm tired today. I'm tired. Well, it have been nice, but I think I have to go now. I don't have to go, but I'm gonna go now because I'm tired. And yeah, thanks for being here.